Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. First we'll do the revision of the previous lecture and then we'll start with the today's session. So what we have learned in the last video, what we had studied in the last video, it was related to u dot v rule in case of differentiation. So if you remember, if u and v are the differentiable function of x and the given question is in u dot v format. So if the given question is what y is equal to u dot v, then you need to take the derivatives of that particular function with respect to x. If you remember the formula, you have to take u as it is into derivatives of v plus v as it is into derivatives of u, if you remember. So in today's video, we are going to learn rule number 2 related to differentiation. So what is basically rule number 2? If u and v are differentiable function of x and if y is equal to, the given question is in this format, y is equal to u plus or minus v, then how you are going to take the derivatives of y with respect to x? By using this formula. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx, that is derivatives of u with respect to x plus or minus derivatives of v with respect to x. I hope you have understood rule number 2 under differentiation, or we can see that derivatives. So to understand rule number 2, we'll solve two problems. Okay. So let's begin with the solution 1. We need to calculate solution 1. Here we have to find dy by dx. So what is y given? Y is equal to x raised to 5 minus sec x plus under root of tan x plus 5. Okay. The next procedure is what? As per the rule number 2, if it is y is equal to u plus or minus v. So you can observe carefully. If you consider the first term, this is the positive term, then negative term. I have considered positive and negative term in one question only. Okay. So how you are going to apply rule number 2 to calculate the derivatives of y with respect to x? First you have to write down derivatives of x raised to 5 minus derivatives of sec x plus derivatives of under root of tan x plus derivatives of 5. So as you know that how you are going to calculate derivatives of x raised to 5? X raised to 5 is nothing but x raised to n, that is f of x raised to n. So how you are going to find out the derivatives of f of x raised to n, which is nothing but equal to n into x raised to n minus 1 or f of x raised to n minus 1 into derivatives of f of x, if you remember the composite function formula. So here we have to take 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1 into derivatives of x, that is 1. I hope you have understood the first derivatives. Coming to the second part, how you are going to calculate the derivatives of sec x, which is given by the formula sec x into tan x plus what is the derivatives of root of some function? So we need to write down 1 upon 2 root x, in this case x is tan x, into derivatives of tan x plus derivatives of constant term is always equal to 0. Now coming to the second step, next step, x raised to 5 minus 1, it is nothing but equal to x raised to 4 minus sec x into tan x plus 1 upon 2 under root of tan x into what is the derivatives of tan? It is sec square x. So I hope you have understood how to apply rule number 2 in case of if the given function is in this format. Positive as well as negative terms are there. I hope you have understood solution number 1. Now similarly, we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Y is equal to what is given? Y is equal to root x plus cos x minus 1 upon x raised to 4. So the given question you need to write as it is. Y is equal to root x plus cos x minus 1 upon x raised to 4. The next step is what? You have to take the derivatives of this function with respect to x. So d by dx of the first function plus d by dx of the second function minus d by dx. Can I write x raised to minus 1? It is up to you whether you need to apply derivatives of 1 upon f of x raised to n or derivatives of f of x raised to minus n. Any formula you can apply, it is up to, it is your choice. Okay. So now as you know that how you are going to calculate the derivatives of root x, the standard formula is 1 upon 2 root x into derivatives of f of x. F of x in this case is x. So derivatives of that particular term is 1. Plus what is the derivatives of cos? Derivatives of cos is given by minus sin x. What about this function? Minus derivatives of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1 into derivatives of f of x, which is 1. So what would be the final answer in this case? 1 upon 2 root x minus sin x plus 4 x raised to minus 5. You can write, instead of x raised to minus 5, you can write 1 upon x raised to 5. This is your final answer. I hope you have understood what is rule number 2 in case of differentiation. So what is basically that rule? If u and v are differentiable function of x, and if the given function is in y is equal to u plus v or u minus v, then simply you can find out the derivatives of y with respect to x by taking the derivatives of that particular function with respect to x. I hope you have understood rule number 2 under differentiation. Thank you so much for watching. In next video, we'll talk about rule number 3, that is u by v rule. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good day.